Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Midnight Mod Garage.
Tonight we have a real cool project for you. We're going to show you how you can re-anodize your faded aluminum car parts using nothing but spray paint.
Come on, focus, 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 focus! There it is, thank you.
So clearly there's no actual anodizing going on here today, although this is entirely possible at home or in your own garage. It goes something like this. What you need is a vat of battery acid, a battery charger, a negative and a positive. You submerge the part you want to anodize and you wait until you achieve the color you're looking for. So here are the reasons for not replacing or anodizing parts at home. This is an oil filler cap that's been on here for about a year and it's faded into the shade of purple you're looking at now. Here's a brand new aluminum anodized blue shift knob that's a vibrant shade of electric. That's what it looked like when it was brand new. Now, over 3 years ago, we actually did the process we're going to show you today on the brace for the strut bar here that attaches to the strut tower, and it looks as good as it did the day we painted it. So if you spend any time in your local auto parts store like we do, you're going to be familiar with these cans of paint, but there is a trick to doing this. Mike, explain.
Alright guys, so here's the process. The first thing we're going to use is Rust-Oleum Primer Adhesion Promoter. You can use any adhesion promoter. This is going to ensure that all of these additional colors are going to stick. They are not going to peel or crack. Following that, we're going to use stainless steel undercoating. You do not have to use this, but if you want more metallic fleck within the paint, use it. It's going to give a more authentic anodized look. Then you got the color. We're going to use the blue. They also have purple and red, so you can choose whatever color you want. 2 coats of this, and last but not least, the wheel gloss clear coat from Duplicolor, which you could use any clear coat. We find the wheel gloss to be a little thicker than the other ones, and they last longer, giving you a perfect sheen for many years to come. So the first thing we're going to do is use sandpaper to give it a light marring, ensuring that the adhesion promoter really sticks. Because it's aluminum, we're going to use a very fine, thin sandpaper, probably 1,000 or 2,000 grit.
So once you've got your light scuffing done, the next step is to give the part a thorough cleaning. You want to get all the impurities off to make sure, just like Mike was saying, you got to get the paint to really adhere to it, otherwise you don't get a proper finish.
So the first thing we're going to do is the adhesion promoter. Now, I'm spraying outside, so I'm not wearing a mask. You can choose to wear a mask if you want. We are going to do 2 coats of this, light coats. You do not want any running, and you are going to want to apply the top coat within less than 10 minutes after the final coat. I'm only going to allow about 5 minutes in between each coat. And of course, whenever you are painting in between coats, it's important that you relax.
All right, so it's been 10 minutes. This is coat number 2 of the metallic. Alright, so looking at these now, clearly this is not the blue shade we're after, but this is in fact the trick. This metallic coating that we're putting on here actually accentuates the blue so that it's not just a blue, but it actually looks very representative of an anodized finish.
Okay guys, we are up to clear coat. So we actually went ahead and did 3 coats of the blue, 2 coats of the steel, 2 coats of the adhesion promoter. Now we're throwing the clear on. Nice and light coats. That's it for the first coat. Do not do any more than that. Once you're done with the first coat, as it gets tacky, which is in about 5 to 6 minutes, it'll prevent the next coats from running. So it is important that you do a nice light coat.
Grazing strokes, Michael. Just tickle. Just tickle the underside. With your sweeping motion. So this is the wet coat of clear.
All right, so the actual new Sparco tow hook would have cost about 60, 70 bucks. We bought 4 cans of paint. The adhesion promoter was $6.99. The blue metallic was $10.99. The steel undercoating was $8.99, and then the clear coat was $6.99. Now, we have enough material to do probably 30 of these. So you can also do your lugs. You can do your valve stem. You can also do any bumper hooks that you're going to be doing. I mean, there's a number of different applications for this. It will definitely hold up better than, you know, buying the actual anodized parts. It's a lot cheaper. And I hope you guys enjoy or can do something with this.